In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine torque strut mount on this Fiat 500. It sits underneath the vehicle at the back of the engine. Let's get started. To remove this engine mount right here, we're going to use a 13mm socket and remove the two bolts holding it onto the transmission. The one that we took off on the driver's side of the mount is longer. The one that came off of the passenger side of the mount is shorter, so keep that in mind. You want them to go back where they came from. Use an E18, that's an inverted Torx socket, to remove this bolt that goes through the engine mount. With this unthreaded, pull it out and remove the mount. If you had your new mount, slide it right back into position and get the bolt through. Bottom it out. As you do, make sure it's still sitting up in its correct positions so you don't tighten it up at the wrong angle. Torque this rear bolt, the largest one, to 59 foot-pounds. Now you can move the engine a little bit if needed and put the two smaller bolts in through the transmission. This one here was quite corroded for me, so I put some anti-seize on the bolt. Hopefully prevent some corrosion. Thread them on by hand. Snug them up. Torque these to 44 foot-pounds. And there you have it, mount is replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.